Hey guys, Jason at Harmony Bankers with your private money minute. Do you know how much money you actually net on each flip that you do? Let's do a quick breakdown. So you have your purchase price, then you're going to have your buying costs, right? So your buying costs are about 4%. You have transfer, recordation, title insurance, taxes, some title fees, things like that. Then you have potential financing costs. If you use a hard money lender and pay 13% and 3 points over a 6-month term, it's about 10%. Then you have holding costs like utility bills, things like that. You have your rehabbing costs, and then you have your selling costs. Your selling costs are anywhere between 1% and 7%, depending if you're using a realtor or if you just have to pay transfer tax, if you sell it yourself, things like that. So calculate all those numbers up. Let's say they equal $200,000, and those are all your costs. Then you sell the property for maybe $260,000, and you net $240,000 after paying a realtor and recordation and transfer tax and things like that. So you make a $40,000 net profit. Not bad. Typically, that's what good investors want to make, about 20% net profit on their deal. They're all in at 200, that's their cost. They make $40,000. Okay?